Hi everyone, welcome back to another Cut Above with Chris. A few exciting products here, and you've seen them on YouTube before. They are relatively widespread now, I believe. They're getting some good traction in the market, and I was very kindly sent this box over from Russia. Now the parcel comes extremely well packaged, it's bubble wrapped, it's a very tightly well sellotaped and cellophane packed. It took me ages to open it with one arm, I can assure you, but very well packaged, and your stuff will get to you safely. Now, before I start on it, this is a Russian company. The razor is called the Start Razor. As you can see on the box, it is all written, I don't know whether that's the way they write it in Russia, but I'm pretty sure. Home-like shaving and safety razor, it's all English. Home-like are found on YouTube, and that is what is inside. Made in Russia, full kit, 0.69, 0.9, 0.9 open comb, 1.18 closed comb, and this is the polished version. Made in Russia, and that there, CT star PT, is start in Russian. Very, very strange language for sure. And underneath, nothing else, nothing of note, nothing else written on it. And what you've got here, there's actually quite a bit of a dent in the corner there. Now this has taken ages to get to Australia. Magnetic latch right there. Very, very nice. And this is what you get inside. Now obviously everyone's seen this. You've seen this on Kevy Shaves, you've seen it with Ken Surfs. You get your lifetime warranty card, which is there. Any manufacturing fault and possible defects in material are covered by warranty. Product warranty does not cover damages caused by users' mistake and potential changes in visual appearance and final finish. In the event of any manufacturing defect, you can exchange or return goods. For this purpose, please contact the manufacturer or consult your dealer. Brilliant. Email address at the bottom there, info@homelikeshaving.ru for Russia. And then we've got a nice foam top here, and underneath we should have a razor and 3 base plates. Beautiful. Right, I'm just going to sit that down. Now this is going to be a bit of a pain. I'm going to do the best I can. From what I've watched, this is quite a tight fit, and it is. Oh, I was expecting this to be heavier, and it's not, and I'm happy. But there's a lot of weight to this. See if we can get this nice and close, see if we can get some nice close-ups of this. Polished stainless steel. Got a little bit of the foam stuck to the razor there, but that's not an issue, that'll wash off and rub off. The handle length, I would say, is around about the 3.25, 3.5 inch handle length. I'm not 100% sure, but just basing it on my hand and my grip, the way I like to hold razors. The knurling on it is quite smooth. It doesn't feel like a grippy razor, but we'll see how it is once it's wet. Now the razor comes with, I believe, the point. Come on. This will be easy. Oh, it's a very short thread. It does come with a washer on it, but what I will be saying is I'll be taking the washer off. It's a very short thread on it. I don't want to put any pressure on the thread, even though it's stainless. It should be fine anyway. If you want to keep the washer on there, I don't think it'll be an issue. I'm just going to take this base plate off. We'll have a look at that. So there we go. Come on. Good old Samsung's brilliant, isn't it? There we go. Gap 0.69. It's got serial number, start. I'm not sure what that says. Apologies about my left hand, it is looking pretty tatty at the moment. Very well machined, very well made. There's the top cap, underneath of it. Now that's, I will say the machining isn't quite as clean as Tatara or Carve or Timeless, for that matter, any of those ones, but it's very nicely machined. We'll just have a look at the open comb. I'm not going to pull the other two out because they're pretty much going to be carbon copies of that one. But the open comb is obviously an open comb. This is 0.9 blade gap, open comb, solid stainless again. This is all polished, all of these ones. Very, very nice. Now that isn't, I think that is actual. Let me just have a look off camera. Yeah, I believe that is actually etched on there. It looks like it's etched. I can feel it. It doesn't feel like it's painted on, it feels like it's etched into it, and then maybe, I don't know, stained with a type of solution. I'm not sure, but that's the 0.9 open comb. Very, very nice. As you can see, it's sort of got that Gillette short comb look to it, that sort of style, the way it falls off at the sides. But all in all, a very, very nice looking razor. I'm just going to pop that back together. Quite a nice smooth thread. I wouldn't say it's as refined or as finished an article as the Tatara or the Carve razor, but so far so good, and I'm going to get stuck into a shave with it. Now, something else that was in the parcel was this Deja Vu. Now, I love this because it's got a wolf on the front. I am wolfed after. I absolutely love wolves. I don't know why, I don't know where I got it from. It's actually my spirit animal from when I was over in America. Right, this one, I can't remember this one is, but I can remember it being, I think it's got menthol in it possibly. Well, it smells absolutely beautiful. I don't know what the scent is, but it smells amazing. Now, this is a post shave, and this is a glass bottle as well, which I think is great. Obviously plastic top, but like 90% of the way of being eco-friendly. And that one's got a sort of spicy sort of scent to it. Very, very nice, and I'll be using this after my shave today. And with that being said, I'm going to finish this video now and head on over for my first shave with the Start razor from Russia. Vadim is the man that runs Home Like Shaving YouTube channel. Very nice guy. His English isn't the best, but obviously it's far superior to what my Russian is, because my Russian is non-existent. But thank you very much, Vadim, and everyone else involved in actually sending this over here, and I look forward to using it and giving you my thoughts. Stay tuned. Stay safe, drive safe, don't drink and drive, and I'll catch you guys very, very soon.